The ChefMaker from Dreo. This is gonna be the best way to make some food for you. Look at this thing. This thing is a beast. It's built like a tank. It's got touch controls. It's got Wi-Fi to connect to your app. You have water intake at the top, so if you have a recipe that calls for water, you can put that in there. Look at the screen. The screen looks awesome. And you have the big tray right here, which we'll put some pizza in there in a second to reheat it. It does have a light on inside, and it's easy to navigate. So first of all, you have chef mode here, where you can go in and you can just get different recipes for different things. So it's like pork, you can navigate down to pork, and then you can pick bacon, pork belly, pork chops, all of this stuff. You can go through and use those recipes, and as you can see, to go further, it's got lamb, poultry, seafood, vegetables. And if we go to classic cook, this is where you can, and then, by the way, I'm not a big cooking kind of person, but something like this makes it super easy for me to create really good food that easily. So looking into classic cook, this is where you can set it to air fry, defrost, reheat, broil, roast, toast, bake, dehydrate. And if we go to probe cook, it actually has a little meat probe. So when you pull this thing out, there's a little magnetic spot that it connects to here, and then you attach this into your meat, and then you can actually cook it by the temperature and all that stuff and set it, really custom make it, and that is a great way to use that. You can also set your own custom favorites there, so you don't have to go through all of that if you like a certain thing that you do and you want to keep doing it that way. And yeah, with the app, you can control it as well with your phone. This is the grill plate. It has a front and back on there, so that helps. And the one that's in here right now is the cooking tray, and that's the one that we're going to use to reheat our slice of heaven. So we have our pizza in there, and here we go. We're gonna set this in. We're gonna go to classic cook. And by the way, if you have a really good pizza and it's been in the fridge, you know, a lot of times if you like microwave it, you ruin it. This is gonna be the way to do it. So we're gonna hit reheat, and we're gonna set it for about 1 minute at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna go ahead and hit play. And check this out, 1 minute. Go for it. All right, so it is done, and we're gonna pick this thing up, and ooh, it's nice and soft. It's not like with a microwave, it messes it up. This keeps it nice and crispy, and so that's a great way to reheat your food, but also to cook food as well. This is the ChefMaker. It'll make a chef out of you in no time. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.